video.
Hey guys, welcome back. We are doing an Aldi grocery haul today. It's a little different. Peter actually helped me out and did the grocery shopping today because I've just been a little under the weather. So he went and picked everything up. So I'm gonna go and show you everything that we have for the week and say hi, Reese. And then at the end, I will have the total for you and I'll have the prices throughout. So let me go ahead and turn around and we'll get started. This is everything we got from Aldi's today. We've got several meals for the week. Super easy stuff for the most part. As always, we love the Supreme pizzas. So we've grabbed one of those. We'll probably have that tomorrow. We got a thing of the spring mix salad. Peter has been enjoying these pretzel slims. They're like the everything seasoning on them. He takes those with his lunch. We've got some Diet Coke for Peter. We don't get this too often, but every now and again we'll get the little off-brand of the Lucky Charms, the marshmallows and stars. The maple brown sugar, I like this organic one. It's really good, of the oatmeal. And I had to get my pumpkin spice creamer, my first one for the year. And I asked Peter to see if they had any fall candles, and this is the one he found, and it smells really good. It's a very cinnamon type scent, and it does have like a hint of pumpkin, so it's not too overbearing. So that's really nice. And then this week we're also gonna have our shrimp bowls. That one is a really easy, healthy meal that we like to have, if not every week, at least once every 2 weeks. So we got the medium raw shrimp. It's peeled and deveined with the tail off, so it's a lot easier. Feta cheese for that, cherry tomatoes. I already had an onion, so we didn't need to pick one up. A cucumber, and then we like to toast up this French baguette to go with that. Then we also picked up a pork roast for later on this week, so I can just easily throw that in the crock pot one day, and we will have probably some rice to go with it and a salad. Peter got his chicken for his sandwiches for his lunch for work. We're gonna do the cheese ravioli one night this week, and we got some roasted garlic sauce to go with that. Later in the week, when the girls are with us on the weekend, we're gonna have spaghetti, so I'll have to grab another thing of sauce for that later. But we went ahead and got the noodles. We have a turkey kielbasa. We needed some more mayonnaise, and we got the olive oil one. We've got the mini pickles. Reese loves these. And Peter went ahead and picked up his whole grain granola for his yogurt bowls that he likes to do, and then the non-fat Greek yogurt. And then he does the canned mixed vegetables for his lunch, and some black beans, olives to go on our salad. And then instead of bread, he's been doing meat and cheese like sandwich wraps. So he picked up the Carb Control original, just like tortilla. We went ahead and got some Texas toast to go with the pasta dishes later on this week. We got some frozen broccoli florets, Munster cheese. We're trying the apple juice. This one's 100% Nature's Nectar. They were out of the other one that we normally like to get, so we're gonna try this one this week. And yogurt bites for Leo. Some beef and bean burritos, make for an easy lunch. Some mandarins. Orange. Italian meatballs to go with the spaghetti later on this week. Dino nuggets for the kids. And then the Aldi brand, the Simply Nature, the fruit snacks for the kids. And the girls love these, and occasionally Reese might have one, or maybe even myself. These little buttermilk pancakes are super easy just to heat up in the microwave for a little quick breakfast, and you know, to go with some fruit or whatnot. And then of course the pouches for Leo. And that is it. So I realized after I finished up that I left out the sweet potato bites for the kids. Those were $4.85. So today's total at Aldi was $133.89. Definitely not a number I'm happy with, but it is what it is for right now. If you want to see more, definitely give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, we will see y'all in the next video.
Bye. See you later in the next video.